if you don't have clarity for your goals, then you are at the right place. Hey, it's me, Gauri. So, what's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about what is journaling. I have divided this video into three parts, which is what is journaling, how to do journaling, and what are the benefits of journaling. So, quickly, let's get in the video. So, what is journaling? If we have to summarize journaling into a short definition, then journaling is a process of writing your emotions, thoughts, and plans on a piece of paper. And you have to document your emotions and thoughts too, because you are documenting the life around you by taking photos and videos, but you are not documenting your emotions. And so, because of this, you have to do journaling. Now, how to do journaling? Whenever I tell you that you have to do journaling, you first need to take a copy or a diary. If you have anything available, doesn't matter, but make sure the diary and the copy is a new one, because you have to make your journey through it. So make sure you have to take a single copy only, and if it is filled, then you can take the next one, of course. So what you have to write in that diary, you have to give and write prompts for yourself. Whenever I say prompts, you got the mind that yes, I'm going to ask Gemini and AI for that. No, you have to write prompts for yourself if you are at a beginner level. And also, the kind of questions or prompts given in the internet is so much difficult from your own problems and your own life. So you have to make sure that you are making questions for yourself, and then you are answering them. You have to answer them. Don't worry about the writing, the grammatical mistakes. You can do anything because it's just your own diary. No one is going to touch it. Make sure. Okay. So I just recommend you to, if you are at a beginner level, then I suggest you to do journaling on a daily basis, because you don't have clarity in your mind. You don't know what to do, how to do, and what are the obstacles going to come in your way. So you have to do it on a daily basis, so that you get to know more about your emotions and your thoughts. What are the emotions, what kind of emotions come to me when this particular situation happened to me. So it is like you are trying to get to know yourself better. And also, what are the benefits of journaling? It's a human nature that we all are not doing anything without our benefit. So yeah, journaling has its own benefits. It will give you mental clarity, because you don't know what to do. Like, uh, if you have to reach your goal, then you should know then what is your goal, how can you reach your goal, and what are the obstacles going to come in your way, and how are you going to overcome that obstacle. So it gives you mental clarity, it gives you mental peace, and I should say it eventually makes you the best version of yourself, not the better one, the best one. So that's it about today's video. If you liked it, then do hit the subscribe button. I'm Gauri and I make videos for self-improvements for teens. So do hit the subscribe button and join our little community. That's it. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.